everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm introducing you to this fun wallet. It is called the Strumpet wallet. It is a Seams Legit pattern. What I love about this wallet is you can use any kind of materials you like. You can order it in fabrics, you can order it in vinyls. I love that it has this flap which is accented by the overlay, so it's really a fun way to have a theme to your wallet. Let me show you some of the features of this bag besides that. On the back you have a zipper pocket. Again, on the front you have this flap with an accent overlay, and when you open it opens up nice and flat. We have a slip pocket here that also has a zipper pocket on the slip pocket, another slip pocket here, 6 card slots, and an ID window for a total of 7 slots for your cards. It is just a really cute and fun wallet. It's big enough too that if you just wanted to go on the go, you didn't want to carry a purse, you could definitely use it as a clutch. That works as well. Yeah. Anyways, if you'd like one of these made in your choices of fabrics and hardware colors, you know what to do. All my information is below, and if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, catch you guys on the next one. Bye.